In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contracts in GoHighLevel better than DocuSign. We'll build a reusable contract template inside GoHighLevel so you can send polished agreements quickly without jumping between tools. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the Payments section in the left-hand menu. Contracts live here because they connect neatly with invoices, proposals, and your overall sales process. Next, hover over Documents and Contracts to reveal the options beneath it. Don't click yet. Just pause for the submenu to appear. From there, choose Templates. This is where your reusable contract frameworks live, so you don't have to rebuild terms and formatting each time you onboard a client. Inside Templates, click New to start creating. Give your template a clear name so your team can find it later. Something like MSA, Marketing Retainer, or Service Agreement, Web Design. Good naming makes version control much easier down the road. To speed things up, choose Import from Template Library. GoHighLevel provides a selection of professionally structured layouts, which saves time and helps you follow best practices. Browse the categories, preview a few, and look for a structure that fits how you sell. A clean header, clear terms, and signature sections are must-haves if you want a smooth signing experience. Now click Choose Template and select the one you want to use. This will load the content into your editor as a starting point. Think of this as your skeleton. We'll customize everything to match your brand and services. With the template open, customize it thoroughly. Update the header with your business branding. Adjust fonts and colors to match your style guide, and replace any placeholder text with your actual scope, deliverables, timelines, and payment terms. If you use variable details like client name, company, or address, insert merge fields so those fill in automatically when you generate a contract for a specific contact. Review legal clauses for clarity and consistency, including termination, revisions, late fees, and confidentiality. Add any necessary signature blocks and make sure each field is clearly labeled for the correct signer. If your agreement references pricing, consider a simple table for transparency. Finally, proofread line by line. Small typos can slow down sign-off. When everything looks right, click Save. Use a version name if you expect iterations, and save again after any final polish. Your contract template is now ready to use across projects, giving you a consistent, professional document you can generate in just a few clicks the next time.